Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick no retwist hairstyle. I have to go out in a few, and I'm gonna try to do like half barrels on my hair, like not a full barrel lock, but like halfway through, and then leave the back out. So I'm gonna be trying that out today. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned. So I did go ahead and spray my hair down with some leave-in conditioner. So I think I'm just going to part my hair straight down the middle and then work with each side separately. And we're going to go from there. So I do also want to mention that I do have a video of me doing barrel locks on my locks from a few years ago. I'm going to link that up here for you guys. So for today's video, I did go ahead and do 2 lock twists on the sides here because I just don't want all that tension on these 2 sides, and also I just like how that looks. And I also separated the back here where the barrel lock is going to end, and I'm just going to work with this small section. So think of it as like separating your hair from ear to ear and then go with that. So normally I don't really use edge control, but it's been a minute since my last retwist, so I'm going to be using the Kiss Edge Fixer Max Hold. It looks like this. This little thing here, like, it really holds my hair. Even with me doing a whole bunch of stuff, my hair still is pretty tame. And because, like I said, I don't have a retwist, I just want to make sure everything is in place. So I'm going to be using this, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my barrel locks. Okay, so once I have brushed my hair with edge control, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take these 2 here in the front, and I'm just going to get it started with like kind of like flat twist, but like not really. So I'm just going to start with the flat twist, and then now just like an anchor, and then I'm going to take locks from either side and just start overlapping. So I'm going to start with the outer here and just cross it over. Make sure it's the outer and not the inner. So I pretty much finished with all the hair that I have, and it looks like this. So I'm going to take a rubber band and just secure it so that it doesn't unravel. So this is how it is looking once I have added the rubber band. So what I'm going to do now is just take a few locks and just wrap it with it to disguise that. Okay, so I finished with the one side, and this is how it looks. You can't really tell that it's what I wanted it to be, and that low-key kind of bothers me, but at the same time, I still like how it's looking, so we're just gonna go with that, and I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other side. I'm going to start off with a few strands and just start a flat twist. Alright, so I'm just going to start overlapping now. Okay, and it looks like this. Like I said, you can't really tell that it's what I want it to be, and I don't know how I feel about that. But okay. So I'm just gonna take this lock and just wrap it around. This is pretty much the finished look. So like I said earlier, I did take out the two sides here just to not have that much tension. This is very much a youthful type of look. I kind of like it. Here, like it's not as fun as I would want it to be because obviously my hair is not retwisted, and that's okay with me. It's just like a different vibe for the week. I can definitely rock with that. It's looking very much cute, very much youthful. And that is okay. So that's pretty much it for this quick little no retwist style. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.